Hi, today we're talking about course evaluation tracker. So this is a simple Notion template which I've created which can help you keep track of course evaluations. So basically you can see we have got a database over here which has the course name, the instructor, the student name, evaluation date, and a lot of different fields of information for your use case. So utilizing this database, what we can see is we have a summary section at the top with four different views added up over here. The first is the follow-up section. So if you are following up with any of the particular students for the course registrations, you can see it in a calendar view over here. Okay. As an example, you can see we have got this follow-up date which shows June 1 and June 5. Okay. So if I'm putting more dates over here, let's say June 17, and this one is let's say in July 9. Okay. So you can see in the calendar view on June 1, we need to follow up with this particular thing. So if you see the properties over here, what we have added is a department, the instructor name. If I want to add the student name, I can click over here and you can see the student name coming up over here. Let me put it on the top. So I need to follow up with Clara Blue, Daniel Gray, Bob White on these respective dates, okay, which is being shown over here. And if you shift to the next month, you can see on July 9 we have this Alice screen which I have added over here. Okay, so basically this is just a quick calendar view to showcase when you need to follow up with the particular students. Then we have the ratings overview. So all the ratings which have been submitted over here are put up over here for display. So we have the different like the department, the instructor, and obviously you can add more properties from here. Like you can go with the student name as well, like we did the last time. So after this we have action required. So basically if there is any action required, so we need to check this action required column. If it is ticked, it will be visible over here. If it is unticked, it won't be visible over here. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Then we have the department view. So as per different departments we have the different courses laid out. So if you check the properties, we have the course, the department, and the instructor showing over here. So this is as per different departments what is being utilized for the course evaluation. So you can obviously play around with all the settings from start to end, and you can make customizations and modifications as per your choice. This is just a simple template and the required summarized view at the top, which can help you keep track of course evaluations. I would also like to take this opportunity to talk about a new tool, online PDF generator. So if you check out this tool can help you generate invoices. Okay, so as you can see, we have got a sample invoice presented over here, which is very professional laid out invoice. You can fill in all the details. You can play around with these currencies as well. So I can choose a particular currency. Let's say I'm going with USD, and you can see it will automatically shift to USD. So let me select USD from here, and USD is selected. Okay, you can obviously click on set as default, and this currency is selected. What it does is once you fill out all the details, and you can add a logo. So let me quickly add a logo. Okay, and you click on download, it automatically downloads this invoice. Okay, make sure you are under single PDF mode. So let us check out this particular invoice which is downloaded. So you can see it is really professional and everything is clean and clear as per the demonstration. The best part is you can switch to multiple PDFs. Okay, so if you are looking to generate more than one PDF in one click, you can add a Notion database, which is obviously provided as a downloadable database. For this, you need to sign in to use that feature. There is a downloadable Notion database which you can download and link up the database with this online PDF generator, and then you can download multiple PDFs in one go. For this, you can just jump to how to use section, which showcases the entire demonstration from start to end, and you can watch this video to understand more about the process. But essentially, you can generate multiple invoices in one click, just like the one we just saw before the demonstration for single PDFs. Okay, and I hope this really helps you out because I want to help you out with your invoices if you're using Notion. Okay, if you are looking to contact me, I'm available at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where you can reach out to me with any queries, or you can utilize this contact section at the bottom and you can send me a message with whatever issues you might be having. I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye, guys.